Hello there, this is my channel Tibustu Zariun. Try to motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. I'll continue with grade 10 textbook which is unit 2 about computer network. What are the unit outcomes? At the end of this unit, learners will be able to explain transmission media. You have to describe telecommunication network. You have to explain mobile and cellular communications. You have to analyze satellite networks. The last but one discuss data communication, and the last point you have to conceptualize the use of internet protocol. What the unit one overview. As it was defined and discussed in grade 9 unit 2 on the same chapter in previous grade is about computer network. Is when we say computer network is the connection of two or more computers or communication device connected by transmission media and guided by a set of rules for communication purposes that allow users to communicate with each other and share applications and data. It's easy enough to connect to computers and possible to establish a network. But when we connect these two computers, how can we connect? We have to use transmission media, and the transmission media is guided by a set of rules, communication purpose, called the protocols and the softwares. Then they can share each other data, or it's possible to share resources over a network. But a minimum of two PCs can establish or can make a network. Why we establish a network? For the exchange of data. On the establishment of network, you must have a transmission media, you must have a protocol, you must have hardware devices and software devices that enables to share data, or it's possible to share applications, not only data. If you have no specific database software, if you have a network, it's possible to share that database and use in both systems. That's why nowadays, thanks to the technology, it's possible to withdraw your money with being at a particular location in one of regional states if after you have got an account book, because there is a network that a command database software or application is possible to share for all users or for all systems. The fundamental components of network are devices, media, message, and protocol. What are the fundamental components of network? Must have devices, the end devices. One acts as the receiver and the other acts as the the sender. The media, the connection media, can be wire-based or wireless by using wire cable or without cable by using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. The message type that we transfer from one system to another, and the protocol, the set of rules that help us to communicate each device. We must have here the representation of network in a school. There is a specific router. The router is connected with the switch, and the router gives the internet access to the switch. The switch gives the other systems to have or to use a network, and which is a wide area network and an internet. They can get an internet indirectly from the router. In case of Wi-Fi, you will get an access from directly to the router from the router. Wireless devices can get here mobile. If you have wireless television or other tablets and others, they can get using wireless based. By using wire-based technology, must have an internet access. Can get an internet access. Here is the network media, transmission media 2 A transmission, what's a transmission medium? A transmission medium can be broadly defined as anything that can carry information from source to the destination. When we say transmission medium, it is one of the fundamental elements of a network. It is anything that carry information from a source to a destination. How a message is transferred from one in device to the other in device. One acts as the sender, the other acts as the receiver. The sender is in case of the source, the receiver in case of the destination. For example, the transmission medium for two people having a dinner conversation is the air. How the two people can communicate each other at dinner time or lunch time or at any time. using the conversation is in the air, which there shows that transmission media is air. The air can also be when we talk each other, when we exchange information with one another, or dialogue, or through conversations. Our transmission medium is air. The air can be used to convey the message in a smoke signal. What type of signal is used? Smoke signal. We say it's a smoke signal over the air, or we call it a semaphore. For a written message, the transmission medium might be a mail carrier. For the case of written message, mostly there is a carrier. In case of traditional operating systems, the truck using an airplane or other transportation, you can transmit or a written message from one place to another, one user to the others in traditional way of working systems. Modern networks primarily use three types of media to interconnect devices and to provide the pathway over which data can be transmitted. Have you seen this statement shows us the modern technology saves our time, saves manpower, saves our cost also. There is no transportation cost at all in case of modern way of exchanging information. Copper cables, how the transmission medium is used. A transmission media can be wire-based or wireless. In case of wire-based, they may have copper cables, may have glass or plastic fibers or fiber optic cables we may use. Again, it is the transmission media can be also wireless transmission. Here in figure 2 shows us a network medias. Different network medias, so copper wire helps to convey a message from the sender to the receiver. The other alternative, fiber optic, is faster than copper wire. Is have a better quality comparing with that of copper wire. Both are wire-based transmission medias, and when we come to this is wireless technology without cable. The signal encoding that must occur for the message to be transmitted different for each media type. Let us see here. On metallic wires, the data encoded into electrical impulse that match specific pattern. In case of metallic wire, the message is in the form of electrical impulses. As you have seen before, in way of conversation, the transmission medium is our air, the air, the semaphore or the smoke signal can be transmitted from one person to the other. When we come to, in case of modern way of exchanging information, the transmission media is metallic wire. In case of metallic wires, the signal type is electrical impulses. In case of fiber optic transmission, rely on pulses of light in the form of light is transmitted or conveyed within either infrared or visible light range or in wireless transmission also. In case of infrared, there are invisible lights. When you use, for instance, when you increase or decrease the volume of your television, you will use remotes. They are the best example for infrared. And the patterns of electromagnetic waves being the various bit values. Different types of network media have different features and benefits. We'll see in next categories of network media transmission in next lesson. For today, it's enough. Thank you. Try to motivate and support me by subscribing my channel.